What can you do in case you forget your password? So first, you will have to go to members.speedy.global so you can log in. So we're already on the page. So click the login button. Once you click the login button, you will be routed to the user login page. So you will need to type in the email address that you used to register, and then you click reset password. You will be routed to the password recovery page, wherein you will need to put in again the email address that you used to register and then click recover password. And an email will be sent to you with a link that you can use to reset your password. So you will just need to go to your email. Okay, go to your inbox, open the email, and use the link to reset your password. Okay, so you will need to type in your new password and confirm the new password you've created and click change password. And you have successfully changed your password. And you can now click the upper right hand corner button that says login and use the new password that you've created and login. And you're done.